Congratulations to NAEMD for yet another year of inspiring students to follow their dreams with events. We've been associated with NAEMD for many years now, and they've always really looked after their students and brought out a fabulous batch at the end of the year. So well done, kudos to more than being 20 years doing this. My message for the youngsters who are beginning their journey in the field of events: be passionate about what you do, work hard and enjoy yourself. That's really important.
Hi, my name is Akshay Mishra. My company name is Audio Lab. I'm the business head of the company. I've done my post-graduation diploma in event management from NAEMD. I've passed out on 2014. I'm now the alumni of NAEMD. We are much more into corporate events. I have a strong message to all the students out there. Do enroll for internships than the events. Try to learn as much as you can, build the network, gather the contacts of all the vendors who in whatever events you are going on, and trust me, you guys are in the best hands. NAEMD is one of the best institutions for the event management in India. Cheers.
Yeah!